Hi folks, in this video we'll talk a little bit about this little tiny graphic logo, this little piece to the logo that we've added up here, where it's located and how to change it, and how we actually embed it into the page. Because we use a method that puts the actual image, as you can see, it's behind the text. It's not beside it or above it, it's behind it. In order to do that, we used a graphic image and then we used a little bit of CSS styling to change the position of that particular logo. So we'll take you through where that image is and how to change it. So to start with, we'll just pop open Dreamweaver, and this will be the same for Dreamweaver or for Expression Web. We just want to expand our library folder and our shared folder, and there's the logo image right there. Same with our Expression Web library, shared, and there's the logo image right there. Now, to change the logo image, we're going to recommend that you simply create your new file, and you call it logo.png, just like we have right here, and you just simply drop it into the shared folder to replace the existing image. So this can be, it could be any size image. The size of the image we're using here is 50 pixels by 50 pixels. And how it works is we put the logo image into the shared folder, and we have a style sheet right here in the site and the styles, and it's called theme.css. We're going to open that up and we're going to go down. We're looking for somewhere around line 105. Now this could change depending on how you format your style sheet, if you made any changes or updates to it, things like that. But what we're looking for is this particular class called navbar, navbar brand, and before. And what it does is it takes the little logo image, and you can sort of see it when we hover over this, and it positions it on the page, and it positions it -5 pixels from the top and 0% from the left. So you can literally change this number here and make it, if you made it -25, what would happen is it would pull it higher up on the page. So if I were to refresh that, make sure I have the right page open here. There we go. That was the before and after. We see that it's pulled up here higher on the page. If you want to move it more to the left, you'd use a negative. If you want to move it more to the right, you'd increase it. You'd increase the percentage to 1, 2, 3, or 5%. So you can just literally play around with these two numbers. Now, when you replace your logo PNG image, the default width and height that we've set is 50 by 50. If you replace it with a larger or smaller image, you will need to change the width and the height as defined on lines, in this example, 109 and 110. If the logo you are using is 100 by 100, then you'd simply change it to 100 wide by 100 tall. It's important to have the width and the height specified here because that affects the negative, or the top position and the left position as well. It can make an impact on how that shows up. So as long as you have the width and height set, then you can change the top and the left position. And we recommend that you just put the logo right into the shared folder, replace the existing image, or you can update the path to the image right here if you so choose.